Avoid phase issues when making sounds mono. Ableton's utility effect makes it very easy to make stereo sounds mono. However, keep in mind that the mono button sums the information of the left and right side. This could result in a less punchy and impactful sound if there were any phase issues. To avoid this, you can easily choose one of the sides to be the mono signal. Test which side works best for the sound, since the other side won't be audible.